Nigeria is being also asked this question to too many men looking after one beautiful woman. I think APC has shown what Nigerians are trying to prove is that they're happy with All Progressive Congress. They are happy with the performance of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I mean, parties have come, parties also came, ruled, and they've gone. And today APC is at the center stage. And the music they are dancing, the accolade they are getting from other political parties, if there is any, and all politicians in Nigeria, and even way meaningful Nigerians, what they are saying is that the reform policies of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is working. That today, nobody can say I'm not educated because I have no money to go to school, because we have loans to give to those who want to go to school. Nobody will again say, I couldn't treat myself because there's no money to pay the hospital bill, because today we have health insurance scheme in Nigeria. So, and so many, so forth and so many. So how many we will count? We have recovered the economy, the revenue is working, production in the oil and gas sector has increased, and so many things are working. So I think that we should go home and continue to thank Almighty God for making all these things possible.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're late for a minute.
So that these people don't push you too much.
Into by well-meaning Nigerians, and particularly the political class. So we are a happy party. We are struggling to ensure that our people are served. We are doing our best to see that Nigeria is properly placed among Committee of Nations as a country where prosperity is gotten. So, Mr. President, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in his wisdom, has recovered our economy. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has recovered the social space and has declared a state of emergency on insecurity. And today, we are confident that very soon, all manner of challenges in our schools, in our communities, in our farms, in our forests, will soon become a thing of the past. And we continue to encourage him. We support him. In our last meeting in Lagos, we passed a vote of implicit confidence on him because we are convinced that he's doing well. And if we continue like this, in the next couple of years, Nigeria will become a safe haven for good life and for comfort. So for we in the Progressive Governors Forum, we are satisfied with his performance. We'll continue to encourage him to continue. And we plead with Nigerians to allow peace a chance. We plead with the political class to allow peace a chance. It is through collaborative efforts that Nigeria will become a great nation. And all of us that are in the course of pursuing our career, politics, our desire is to serve the country. So we can serve at all levels. So Progressive Governors Forum is happy with the way our democracy is growing from strength to strength. And we urge him to really continue to do his best. You see, among us now is a brand new member, the governor of Rivers State, Governor Fubara, is here as our latest member. So I don't know how many we are now. I think we're over 28 as members of the great party. So how else do you know a party that is doing well? That 28 governors are here as members of All Progressive Congress. So even if whatever it is the case, we have 28 quality apostles of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So it's a great thing and a thing of joy.
So how do you respond to the criticism in some quarters that the APC is trying?